Let's make a song out of nothing. First, record nothing. Here's the recording of nothing. But if you listen closely, you can hear a little note. The little we can now put that note on the keyboard. Let's get another note, so we'll turn this down. Turn this up. Here's that low note. Now it's a great bass. You can even make drums out of nothing. So we're gonna turn the bass frequency down, turn this part up. Let's make it a little shorter. And to make the snare drum, take the same hi-hat track and go all the way down here, boost it up to here, put it all together, and you just made a song out of nothing.
I want you to stay.